Welcome to a Magic Card performance with me, Mr. Magic Cards. This is the performance in the tutorial of 3-card Monty, 3-card style, 2-card Monty. Okay, this is my take on it. This is a bit different than how everyone else does it. So I hope you like it. You're gonna see the slate definitely because A, it's on video, and B, it's a horrible camera angle. Okay, so let's get started. This is my card, spades. Remember, forget ace. Remember spades. Okay, I'll take it and I'll put it into the hands of my spectator. Okay, are you okay? Let's check to see if it's actually spades. Yes, it's spades. Okay, so this is my card, clubs. Okay, clubs. Forget ace. Remember clubs. Now watch. I'm gonna steal your card and I'm gonna steal it again. Okay, so now. Your card is spades, right? Now watch. I'll show you how to do it in slow motion, right? I'll take this, and I'll pull out spades, okay? Now without betting, without looking, would you bet for spades to be on top and clubs to be on bottom? Would you be surprised if it was the other way around? Okay, should I turn over the card? How did he do that? Craziness. Okay, so this is the tutorial for 2-card Monty, okay? My setup. So what you need to have are 2 red aces, okay? And 2 black aces, okay? 2 like queens, king, queen, whatever. Just 2 different cards. So you need to have 1 card of each suit. And how I do it is I don't like using triple lifts. So what I do is I sandwich one of the queens between the 2 aces, and I take this queen and I place it on bottom, right? So I start with a single lift. I say, this is your card. Forget ace, remember clubs, and I give it to them. And they're holding it onto it like this, okay? Then I say, this is my card, ace of spades, okay? I do a double lift. So, and how I get the pinky break for my double lift is I just keep riffling back, and then see, and once you riffle back, you can actually see those 2 cards, you know, so you just keep riffling, you get it, and then you just like continue talking, and then you show the 2 cards. Okay, it's pretty simple. This is how I get all my double lifts. Just like dribble the cards, play around a little, and then see, that was a triple lift. See, because I'm focusing on the video, but if I go like that very slowly, you should be able to see me catch 2 cards, right? I said, this is my card, ace of spades. Okay, so now what? And then I give them, now I actually have the queen in my hand so they can't look. I say, I'm going to switch it, I'm going to switch it back. I'm not going to do anything. And then tell them to check their card to see if it's okay again. And now you do the switch. You take their card and you pull this card from the bottom, and then you press the ace of clubs on their card so they don't look, because most people will want to look. Now here's the trick, okay? It's just like bottom dealing. When you put this card, you'll take this one and say, this is the whole switch. So you have the queen of hearts or the other card on the bottom, right? You push off this card, and then once you bring this in, you'll take this out and then bring it up high, right? Just like take it off the top of the pack and drop it, and then you say, without looking, would you be surprised, blah blah blah, and then turn the cards. They turn the cards over, okay? So this is my take on 2-card Monty. There's no triple lift. It's only a double lift because it's 2-card Monty. So please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.